Araby is a short story by James Joyce. It's narrated by this unnamed figure, this boy who's still in school, who is infatuated with this girl who is also unnamed. She is just referenced as the sister of his friend Mangin, and he has this middle school crush on her where he always thinks about her, but they rarely talk. He has this one conversation with her where he promises to buy her something from the bazaar, Araby, when he's going. And he is just so excited. He can't stop thinking about it. He's getting so distracted by it. He can't concentrate on anything. And when the day comes that he's supposed to go, his uncle comes home late and is just taking his time. And while the narrator is, ready to go, he's eager and he's kind of stressed that it might be too late. And when he goes, it is too late. And there's only one store open and he ends up not buying anything. And instead of just powering through, he just gives up. He gives up.